In a campus named University of Siliwangi, there are three students who establish a friendship. They are named Aajimi, Jehaji, and Boncel. They live in one same house, even though they are from different departments. When they have some free time, they gather together. Their relationship is very close as has become siblings. They have a sense of help each other. If one of them has a problem, they always find a solution together. And the story began from one of two who feel pressure in the college. So their solution to benefit together, and this is the story.
with you. You what? You voice the district ward chair?
So sweet. Look at the task. I'm very stucky. I cannot think at all. I'm very stressed. You know. I'm stressed with all this.
Alrighty, guys. Are you constantly making noise? Okay. It also you can and like things.
Maybe. But where are we going?
How good if we go to tourist attraction Galungma?
Let's go!
They get to go immediately to the object of Galunggung. On the other hand, there are two final year students of the Department of Biology who will be working on the final courses module who have to find the biodiversity in the area, and they choose the object of Galunggung.
What do you know of plants have many species of plant in the field? Many, but usually the most famous biodiversity is in the tourist area Galunggung. Galunggung, what kind of plants? It's kind of a mountain favorite in Tasikmalaya City. Oh, I see. I never heard to it. How the access road there? Close enough and easy to pass. Let's go there. Let's go. Okay.
Come on, guys.
What are you doing? I'm doing my task. What are you doing? I'm still pretty girl. Sly sister. We are just vacation anyway. Oh, I see. Well. Then vacation unclear. Let's go. Join with me. in order to gain knowledge also. That's right.
Okay. Oh, with you? Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I want to ask you. What? I want to ask why the hills if we go to Sister Tahir.
Yeah.
I want to ask you.
Yeah,
I
Anja.
want to ask why the hill if we go to a place that is still a lot of plants or cool to be an option to street stress.
Oh yeah, because the place is cool and of plants to provide much of the supply oxygen to our body, especially our brain.
Oh,
Yeah, you are alright. We know the oxygen derived from photosynthesis of plant. If many plant, so many also oxygen in the nature.
oh.
Oh, see in addition, moreover. Oh yeah. In addition to beautiful are still more to be can grateful again to God for good in the when we are the place our eyes see beautiful scenery, then the fast in the brain by the nerve system activated the happy hormone or serotonin hormone and last up in the heart, then makes our feeling become the happy.
We really right Haji invite to oneself to the place.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, that's right. We describe Sis Nota and Sis Tahir. I feel be better than before, and I'm more so happy at this moment. Thank you very much, my friend, to bring me today.
You're welcome. If you're happy, we be
happy. Thank you very much.
So you guys now not only work alone, but we can learn a lot from nature. Yeah, that's right. We don't have to go to the expensive place for refreshing our mind and body. Only we back to nature and grateful to God.
Thank you, sis.
Thank you very much for listening today.
You're welcome. Welcome semua kelompok. Let's go! Okay? Oh god. If we were to go to the person, go. Apa sih? Sing halus akhir.
Walls are the stories that I can't explain.
Pas kerompong, pas kerompong. Pas kerompong,
Leave my heart open and it stays stays right here empty for days.
Oh, baby, did you look?
She told me in the morning she didn't feel the same about a single bone. It seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on the stone.
Jadi gitu. Di sini kabut menutupi area kawasan. Bohong, jangan coba percaya.
With nothing in between. The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life. Written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in its cage. I know that in the morning now, see us in the light upon the hill. Although I am broken, my heart is unchained still. And I'll be gone tonight. Fire beneath my feet is burning.